Hi, this is John with WTI. And when it comes to versatility and when it comes to having a adapter for pretty much any circumstances, I got them. And this is where this adapter, this USB adapter to a DC adapter, that it just works wonders for me. I have several situations that if I have to travel and I need a adapter for a USB, a USB-C, a Type C, or even a DC connector that is going to be connected to a modem or a router, I got them. And the opportunity that I get with this adapter is just awesome because even though I have, or you can have like any device that you want to power it up with your power bank, I just connect this here with the USB side, and then I connect this with this DC, and I just connect it with the other adapter that I may need. You call it, I have it. It's the micro USB, the Type C, the DC adapter that it can connect to pretty much anywhere, and you have plenty of opportunities. The way that I've used this is just great and is so handy. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.